Is your vocabulary beginner, intermediate, or advanced? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Vanessa from SpeakEnglishWithVanessa.com, and here on this YouTube channel, you will learn real-life English. Today, we're going to test your vocabulary. I have a few questions for you, starting at the beginner level, then the intermediate, then the advanced level, and let's see what you score. Let me know in the comments at the end of this video what your score is. And if you want to continue to level up your vocabulary, I want to invite you to join me in the 60-day word boosting challenge. Over the next 60 days in this course, I will be sending you real-life vocabulary lessons so that you can learn over 400 real English phrases that you can use in your daily life so that you can express yourself better than you ever have before. And right now, there is a $100 off discount on this course. So click on the link in the description to learn more about the 60-day word boosting challenge and see if you can still get that $100 off discount. All right, let's get started with today's vocabulary test. And like always, I have created a free PDF worksheet with all of today's test questions. Plus, there is an audio that you can download with all of the sample answers. This way you can listen to the vocabulary used in the sentence, listen to my voice, and also you can repeat out loud with me. Try to match my voice so that you can practice your speaking as well. So to get this bonus audio version, you can click on the link in the description, enter your name and email address, and voila, just like that, you will receive the free PDF worksheet with the test, all of the answers, all of the definitions and sample sentences, plus the bonus audio that you can download. Simply click on the link and it will be yours. It is my gift to you. All right, let's get started with our test. The first 3 questions are beginner level vocabulary. I want you to guess which word fits best in this sentence. After working all morning, we decided to take and grab a coffee. Which word fits best with the phrase take a? Is it take a chair, take a break, or take a breath? You have 3 seconds to guess. The correct answer is after working all morning, we decided to take a break and grab a coffee. This phrase, to take a break, simply means to pause what you're doing. Let's take a look at another sample sentence. You might say this: we've been studying English for 2 hours. Let's take a break and go for a short walk. Great idea. All right, let's go on to question number 2. A teacher might say something like this: don't rush, we have plenty of time. Just take your and double check your work. Which goes best with take your? Is it take your seat, take your time, or take your pencil? I'll give you 3 seconds. The correct answer is don't rush, we have plenty of time. Just take your time and double check your work. This phrase, to take your time, means to do something slowly. So you might say something like this: I always tell my kids to take their time when they're tying their shoes so that they don't tie them in a big knot. Sometimes it's a good idea to take your time. All right, let's go to question number 3, the final beginner vocabulary question. When she saw the look on my face, she stopped and said, "What's?" Which phrase goes best with what's? What's missing? What's broken? What's wrong? I'll give you 3 seconds. The correct answer is this: when she saw the look on my face, she stopped and said, "What's wrong?" Here, this fixed phrase, what's wrong, is often used together. It is a fixed phrase that we use in daily life when we're trying to figure out what the problem is. So you might use it like this: you've been quiet since lunch today. What's wrong? Here you're trying to help your friend and see, can I help you? Please tell me what's going on in your life. Great. All right, let's go to 3 intermediate vocabulary phrases. We're going to be doing the same thing. You need to finish the phrase and make sure that it fits in the best way possible. Let's go. I appreciated the job offer, but I had to turn it because it wasn't the right fit for me. What goes best with turn it? Is it turn it over, turn it down, or turn it around? 3, 2. The best answer is, I appreciated the job offer, but I had to turn it down because it wasn't the right fit for me. This intermediate phrasal verb, to turn down something, means that you reject it. So you might say something like, I had to turn down her invitation to the party because I already had plans. Great. Let's go to the next intermediate vocabulary question. Question number 5 is, we went back and for an hour trying to decide where to eat. What goes best with back and? Is it back and forward, back and around, or back and forth? The correct answer is, we went back and forth for over an hour trying to decide where to eat. This phrase, back and forth, means that you're moving or arguing between 2 positions. So you might use it like this. We emailed back and forth a few times before deciding on the best time for a meeting. All right, so here there's some confusion or some collaboration about which time would be best for a meeting. I sent an email, you sent an email, I sent an email back. We are emailing back and forth. Question number 6 and our final intermediate vocabulary expression is this one. It rained the whole trip, but we tried to make the most of by exploring museums and cafes. What goes best with to make the most of? Is it to make the most of it, make the most of that, or make the most of this? I'll give you 3 seconds. 3. The correct answer is this. It rained the whole trip, but we tried to make the most of it by exploring museums and cafes. This phrase, to make the most of it, means you're trying to use a situation in the best way possible. This is a little bit tricky because grammatically you could say make the most of that or make the most of this, but this is a fixed phrase that we often use just with the word it. Make the most of it. Let me give you another example. Let's imagine that it is your dream to study in the US and you finally get a visa opportunity, but you have to go to a visa interview first. That's a pretty scary thing to have to do. You can do it. But your friend is trying to encourage you. Your friend might say to you, this might be your only chance, so try to make the most of it. That means try really hard. Do your best possible so that you can get the opportunity to go study in the US. All right, let's move on to our 3 advanced English phrases, and I want to see how you do. How did you do with the beginner and intermediate phrases? It's time to move on to 3 advanced questions. Vocabulary question number 7 is this. I always stick to my tried and recipe when guests come over. It never fails. What goes with tried and? Is it tried and tasty, tried and true, or tried and truthful? 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is I always stick to my tried and true recipe when guests come over. It never fails. This phrase, tried and true, sticks together. It's a great phrase to use in your daily conversations, and it means something that is reliable. So you might say, I know my car is old, but it is tried and true. I know that it will not fail me. Or you could say, this is a tried and true method for learning English. You are enjoying yourself, I hope. You are testing yourself, and you are learning English in the context of sentences, not just by themselves. This is a tried and true method. It's reliable. All right, let's go to our next advanced vocabulary question. Question number 8 is, life has been busy lately, but I can handle anything you throw at. What goes with throw at? Is it throw at me, throw at it, or throw at this? The correct answer is, life has been busy lately, but I can handle anything you throw at me. This advanced phrasal verb, to throw something at someone, means that you are presenting them with a challenge or a difficulty. Usually it's unexpectedly. You didn't realize that you were going to have that challenge or difficulty in your life. And we use this in often a quite interesting way. Usually we use this phrase when we want to stand bold and courageous and say, I can handle it. I can handle anything that you throw at me. Any challenge or difficulty that you give me unexpectedly, don't worry, I can do it. I can handle it. So let's take a look at this phrase. You might say, no matter what problems you throw at me, I will try my best to handle them. Okay, this is a great thing to say in a job interview because being flexible is a great quality, right? So if your boss says, do you have any experience in this specific marketing field? You might say, well, I haven't worked in this specific marketing field before, but I can handle anything you throw at me. Oh, you are standing bold and courageous and saying, don't worry, I can do it. I can handle anything you throw at me. Vocabulary question number 9, our final one of this test, the final advanced phrase for today. It's this one. Can you get it right? Talking to my grandmother really helped me put things into and feel less stressed. What goes with put things into? Is it put things into view, put things into words, or put things into perspective? I'll give you 3 final seconds. 3. The correct answer is, talking to my grandmother really helped me to put things into perspective and feel less stressed. This phrase, to put things into perspective, means that it helps you to see things more clearly, more realistically, and usually it's because you're comparing it to something else. So when I talked with my grandmother about how she grew up, the difficulties in her life, those difficulties are a lot harder than my difficulties in my modern life. So talking with my grandmother helped me to see my life more clearly, more realistically. It helped me to put things into perspective. Now, I do want to let you know that we can change this word things and swap it out for other ideas. So let me give you another sentence. You could use that same example of talking with my grandmother and say, after hearing her story, it put my problems into perspective. Oh, it helped me to see my problems in a different way. Perspective is all about perception, how you see or view things. So we could say it helped me to put things, very general, put things into perspective, or it helped me to put my problems into perspective. So how did you do? We had 3 beginner questions, 3 intermediate vocabulary questions, and 3 advanced vocabulary questions. What was your final score? Let me know in the comments what your score was, which words you missed, and don't forget to download the free PDF worksheet. It includes this entire vocabulary test, plus all of the definitions, sample answers, And there is a bonus link in that PDF where you can download the audio version of all of the final sentences. You can listen to my voice saying those sentences with the key vocabulary phrases, and you can read them out loud with me and try to repeat out loud. This is a tried and true method for improving your speaking, shadowing, or repeating after someone else. This is the best way to improve your pronunciation, your speaking, your vocabulary. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link in the description, download the free PDF worksheet today, simply enter your name and email address, and voila, the PDF worksheet with the bonus link to download the audio. It will be available in your email inbox. It is my gift to you. And if you enjoyed today's vocabulary test lesson, I invite you to join me over the next 60 days in the 60-day word boosting challenge. Every day I will send you a real-life vocabulary English lesson. This will help you to learn over 400 real-life English phrases so that you can use them yourself and express yourself better. My student Vincinia said, "Hi Vanessa, I'm very happy to compliment the challenge. Without wasting a single day, I was able to learn a lot and it was really fun. Thank you very much. Keep being this cheerful and fun teacher." How wonderful that he can have a fun and useful time without wasting a single day. I hope that you can too. So please join me in the 60-day word boosting challenge. Right now, if you join today, you can get a $100 off discount. That is available for a limited period of time, so check it out by clicking on the link in the description. If you see the timer has ended, then the discount is over. But click on the link for the 60-day word boosting challenge now, and you will be able to get the $100 off discount and learn with me over the next 60 days to boost your vocabulary. I hope to see you there. So thank you so much for learning English with me, and I'll see you again next Friday for a new lesson here on my YouTube channel. Bye! But wait, do you want more? I recommend watching this video next, where you will have to guess the real versus fake English phrase, ones I totally made up, including one about throwing someone under a bus. Such a tough phrase. I hope you will watch that video and find out how to use it. I'll see you there.